Doot, doot. Come on, right. Your liver is the reason you're sluggish and overweight. You heard me right. Your liver is now thought to be your third brain. And it turns out maybe why you are not getting the results that you really want after hitting the gym, doing the Pilates, doing the yoga, doing everything that you're doing. Today I want to show you how to unlock the key to anti-aging, optimal detoxification, and why you need sugar. Sure, your liver processes alcohol and toxins, but its job is way bigger than that. It also processes fat, and it's responsible for glucose, glycogen, vitamin, and mineral storage. And it also screens and filters blood and provides you with its own immune function. No big deal, right? Pretty cool. Are you kidding me? Talk about a serious superhero. Think of your liver like the little engine that could. I think I can. It's constantly working its tail off for you, all while pushing toxins to keep you healthy. In fact, your liver is highly adaptable, even more so than your own brain. The 6 inches between your ears, it's more powerful, some would believe, and I'm actually starting to believe, than that. If you are someone that tends to eat healthy all week and indulge on the weekends, your liver keeps score of this and adapts to support your routine. How is that even possible, Drew? Some of you may be asking. It produces more bile to help you break down the fatty foods because it anticipates this based on the memory patterns. It has memories over the past 10 to 20 years of your life. If there's a season where you indulge, it stores the memory of that. It's like a freaking artificial intelligent computer that's the size of a football right here, my friend. Now I know that's pretty nerdy, but I love this stuff. And that's not to say you should be shoveling in pizza and ice cream down your throat every weekend. Help the little guy, right? Creating regular healthy habits as much as you can is gonna be really important. But also, I know you're like me. Well, sometimes I think I am, but we're human. Sometimes we're aliens. And that's okay too. It's okay to have an occasional treat once in a while, as long as you get back on track. That's what Fit Life is all about, right? Okay, so let's talk about fat, because it's not necessarily a bad thing unless you have too much coursing through your blood, causing your liver to overwork, and it just can't keep up. All right, so then there's the pancreas. Pancreas high-fives the liver, liver walks onto the screen, and it does everything it can do to stop the excess fat from being processed in the pancreas, because this leads to an overproduction of insulin and can also lead to underproduction over time, leading to diabetes. That's right, the more fat we have swirling around, the more insulin we need to deliver glucose to the areas that need it. So the spike you get in the blood sugar isn't actually from eating too many carbs. It's a symptom of insulin resistance from eating too much fat, and your liver cannot handle it. Now, some people can handle more fat than others, which brings me to the sugar thing. Imagine this bag of sugar walks on the screen with a very sinister look, rubbing his hands together. Have you ever gotten that jittery feeling in between meals? If so, this is a sign that your liver is struggling to do its job, because the liver runs on glucose. It needs sugar to function properly. Now, don't go off grabbing a whole box full of candy bars. I'm watching you. Not that kind of sugar. Think natural sugars, like fruit, loaded with fiber as well, so you're getting all the fiber and the nutrients, or squash, even raw honey. These sugars are loaded with other nutrients to support a healthy body. And if you don't feed your liver sugar, it will steal it from other parts of your body, which can lead to an entirely different set of problems. If you didn't already, be sure to watch this video all about the signs that you need a detox. I did it. We live in a toxic society, my friend, but that doesn't mean that you have to be toxic. The liver can actually send out a chemical to disarm the toxins before they arrive. Like I said, third brain. So there you have it. The key to staying healthy and vibrant lies in the health of your liver. So take care of it. Leave a comment. Let's connect. I read all these comments. Yes, I do. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. Watch the video. Once again.